Hello students, here's your week at a glance for this week. I really want everyone to start out watching this opinion writing video for an overview of some of the things I noticed as I reviewed your sloppy copies, your graphic organizers. I really want you to think about the fact that you're trying to make an argument to get someone to think a certain way. You're using evidence from the text, and you want to make sure that you're from the text that is outlined in the prompt, and you want to make sure that you have different arguments. So very clear and distinct arguments with quotes and evidence from the text. And so this right here is going to give you a little overview of that. I'm also going to be adding a video here on something called the quote sandwich, and that's where you learn how to add quotes really well. So you'll want to watch that too, just to prepare you for that multi-paragraph opinion piece. Here's our lab hours. And for language arts, you're going to do 03.06. You're going to do the content pages, and you're going to try out the practice page. And if you've got about half of it done and you understand it, you'll move on. Tomorrow, you'll complete the assignment for 03.06, which is reviewing, editing, and revising your opinion writing piece. You're going to take your assessment here. Then you'll have some more content pages on Thursday, 04.01, and then you'll have an assessment here. Okay, in math, you've got 05.04, 05.05, 6, 7. For 05.08, you can review the content pages, but you do not have to submit the assignment. You want to review all of that before you take the assessment that day on Friday. So you'll go through, and this one right here is a review and a reflection. I don't want you to do the reflection component. I mostly just want you to go through the questions so you know what you're going to be tested on. Remember to show your work in math. So any place where you need to show what you were doing, please add that. For science, you've got content assignment. You're going to do all of 05.02 on Wednesday. Thursday, you're going to do content and then your assessment on Friday. And for social studies, you've got content assessment, content assignment, okay? A couple things to review. When you answer a question, make sure you recycle your words. So if the question was, why did Spanish explorers travel? Question mark, you would say Spanish explorers traveled for several reasons. That's kind of a silly example, but you're going to actually use part of the question as your response. And so make sure that you're writing complete sentences, and be sure to review my feedback in the gradebook. So see how I've got all this grading today? Once I have put feedback in, you can go in your gradebook and you can resubmit before that deadline on Saturday with adjustments or additions to increase your score. I hope you guys have a great week.